Have you been noticing 1104 everywhere, on clocks, receipts, or even random signs? This is not by chance. It's a direct message from your angels, urging you to pay attention. Angel number 1104 shows up when your life is being reshaped from the ground up. Your angels want you to know that the old ways no longer serve you and a new, stronger foundation is being built. This number isn't just a sign, it's a divine blueprint for stability, success, and alignment. Stay with me, because the meaning of 1104 could completely shift how you see your future. Angel numbers are not random digits. They are divine codes sent by your angels to guide, protect, and awaken you. When numbers like 1104 repeat in your life, it means the spiritual realm is speaking directly to you. The number 1 carries energy of new beginnings and leadership. 0 represents divine wholeness, and 4 symbolizes stability and strong foundations. Together, 1104 means your angels are rebuilding your life, so it stands on faith, strength, and clarity. If you've been feeling uncertain or restless, angel numbers are here to remind you. Your path is divinely guided. Angel number 1104 meaning is clear. Your angels are resetting your foundation. It's a spiritual renovation. Just like a house needs strong pillars to withstand storms, your life needs new structures to carry your future. This number often appears during times of transition, when jobs, relationships, or routines feel unstable. But don't fear the shakeups. 1104 is your reassurance that everything is falling apart only to fall into place. Your angels want you to trust that these shifts are preparing you for long-term success, balance, and divine order. This is not an ending, it's the beginning of real stability. So, how do you know if 1104 is guiding you? Look closely at your life. Are you seeing old situations crumble, toxic people leaving, or sudden changes pushing you out of your comfort zone? These are not coincidences, they are signs of alignment. You may also notice inner urges to organize your life, manage your time better, or pursue goals you've ignored. Some people even report sudden clarity about what truly matters. These are all signs that your angels are actively working to rebuild your path. 1104 signals. Trust the process because the foundation is being reset. When you see 1104, your angels are calling you to cooperate with the rebuilding. This means letting go of what no longer serves you, embracing discipline, and committing to your personal growth. Start building habits that create stability, whether financial, emotional, or spiritual. Journal your goals, set routines, and keep faith even when life feels uncertain. Your angels want you to be an active builder, not a passive observer. Angel number 1104 reminds you that success doesn't just happen. It's constructed through focus, patience, and trust. Align your actions with divine guidance and watch your life transform beautifully. Beloved soul, angel number 1104 is not here to scare you. It's here to reassure you. If life feels unstable, it's only because your angels are removing weak foundations and replacing them with unshakable ones. The message is simple. Your future is being rebuilt on faith, strength, and divine order. The storms you're facing are temporary, but the stability being created will last a lifetime. Trust the process. Say aloud, I am ready for my new foundation. And if this message resonates with you, comment, I claim 1104 to affirm your alignment with this powerful angelic sign.